We're a quick turnaround job shop, so a lot of what the work we do is onesie twosie sort of jobs. Previously we were using fifth axis. The reason we decided to switch over to this system was the fifth axis plates we're using were made out of aluminium, and with all the steel work we do, we were finding that we're getting lots of dents and scratches. We were constantly having to stone out with the fifth axis plates. About a month ago we switched to the full grip. They're hardened steel. They're surface ground. We haven't had that problem. These have saved us a huge amount of time even compared to the previous 0-point systems, just because having one big plate has meant there's less cleanup between jobs. One of the main advantages that we've enjoyed with these is the single screw tightening. The fifth axis plates had 3 screws per plate. Having the one big plate versus a few smaller plates has been really awesome. We've been really happy with the results. We are changing our work holding out multiple times a day to service our customers' needs. These have saved us a huge amount of time.